So if you're trying to remove your front shocks at the bottom on the plate and they've been in there for years, it's these bolts here. There's one there and one there. Then these are the things that I did to remove them. First of all, I wire brushed it thoroughly. You might need a big and small wire brush. You can use a bit of a pry bar to move. Normally it's not moved over this much, but you can use that to get it up to get the thing in. The next thing I used is this stuff. It's a penetrating oil, but this is really good stuff actually. And the next thing I use is a MAP gas torch. The combination of cleaning the threads underneath, cleaning the bolt head on top, some oil, and then the next thing we did was, where has it gone? You need to get the socket on as straight as possible. It's a 13mm, and you can get that in there like that. It says. I'm just filming this with one hand, it's a bit difficult. You can get it in there like that, within this gap. What you might have to do is, once you've taken it off with that, don't get it trapped, then use a little spanner, but make sure this socket is straight on that nut as possible. That'll let you, it's a little brake bar, that'll let you crack it. And then what I would do is, once it's free, keep giving it a bit of a clean up with a wire brush, a little bit of heat, and keep spraying some of this in. And just be really careful. Just do a turn, and then back. The first turn you do a turn, then back it back, then back the other way, and just real careful with it, and it'll come out. Thanks for watching.